Hello guys, this is erection of very heavy drum vessel. This is drum vessels guys, where two crane are going to lift this. One crane is assisting the big crane. So this is between 500 tons mobile crane and 300 tons. So the big crane will lift this totally later. The small crane will just assisting the big crane by lifting the bottom to make the load stand. This is a tailing lift between 300 tons and 500 tons. This is very heavy lift. Critical lift where two crane is doing the job. Tailing lift. Now the load is totally lifted by the big crane. It is going to be positioned to the foundation, concrete foundation of this drum vessel. Vessel reactor, drum vessel. Now they're going to shoot now the bolts that are mounted in the concrete foundation. It should be perfectly shot to the bolt hole.